Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano. We're also going to be taking a look at a clip from Charles Hoskinson and a price analysis too. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's even get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, what year was it when you first got into cryptocurrency? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the latest news, let's take a look at how the market is performing today. Today, the market is looking a lot better than it has previous days. Bitcoin is fighting to stay above the levels of $50,000, and the rest of the market is waiting on Bitcoin to make a big move. Bitcoin is currently at the levels of 50,649, Ethereum is at 1,714, Cardano is at $1.15, Binance Coin is at $234, Polkadot is at $34.72, XRP is at 46 cents, Litecoin is at $189, Chainlink is at $28.45, and Uniswap has had a very good week and it is up to $33.58. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano, so let's jump straight into the first article. And this article says, investors see alternative to BTC in Cardano, said eToro's resident crypto expert. Cardano ADA is becoming the choice of many investors as they seek an alternative to crypto asset to flagship digital currency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is currently trading above $50,000. It seems too expensive, unlike a decade ago where it was seemingly very cheap. So investors are looking for cryptocurrencies with promising prospect. And it says down here, Simon Peters says Cardano is becoming investors' choice. According to eToro's resident crypto expert, Simon Peters, in a report titled The Next Bitcoin, investors flock to the cryptocurrency ADA. Published by mainstream media in Australia, Cardano ADA is becoming investors' top choice as they seek an alternative to Bitcoin. At the time of filing this report, Cardano is priced at $1.13 and occupying the 5th position in the cryptocurrency market. But those who joined Cardano bandwagon in 2020 bought ADA at around 20 cents per coin. According to eToro, the multi-brokers trading firm, the digital token ADA experienced a relatively 157% surge in trading in February, when it recorded a new all-time high of $1.50. Simon Peters of eToro said investors want a digital currency that will allow them to be fully involved in the next crypto boom, just like those who held a lot of Bitcoin 10 years ago when it amounted to nothing compared to the current prices. Simon also noted the market is evolving. Rather than focusing solely on Bitcoin and Ethereum, where many investors can only own a fraction of one coin, we are now seeing increasing demand for coins priced like Bitcoin and Ethereum were a few years ago. Investors are looking for the next Bitcoin, meaning they're investing in cheaper tokens like Cardano's ADA, IOTA and a few others, which are all priced in around the $1 mark. We believe this year could see this hunt for the next Bitcoin intensify, as the market widens and other coins gain their own following. So overall, even the majority of the market follows what Bitcoin does, cryptocurrencies like Cardano and others have way more room for growth. That means with the updates that they have and the big things that are coming with adoption, etc, you then have the possibility to see way more upside potential. But I want to know down below, what was the cheapest price you ever bought Cardano? This is the next article I want to show you before we take a look at a clip from Charles Hoskinson and a price analysis. And this one says, IOG CEO estimates that Cardano will be adopted at scale within 3 to 5 years. Cardano will provide tools to build new financial systems for millions of people in developing economies. Charles Hoskinson predicts the creation of universal markets and wallets on ADA. We're just starting to see Cardano awake, said IOG CEO Charles Hoskinson in an interview for Real Vision. In this, he talked about Cardano's beginnings and the future of the platform, which has successfully built a community of 1 million users. Cardano's real use case and adoption at scale. One of the goals of the interview was to answer the question, what does Cardano actually do? The editor of Real Vision wanted to explore this topic because Cardano has recently experienced a massive surge and gained popularity, as evidenced by the massive influx to Cardano's Reddit. Among other things about Cardano, Hoskinson said, Cardano is a collection of protocols and technology that allows you to transform, store and manage value, identity and governance. Created to be a global platform to fulfill these functions, Cardano's purpose is to repair the traditional system of the developed world. It also aims to give tools to developing countries where in many cases the financial system is non-existent. There are tons of people out there who are bright, honest and hard-working. They are completely removed from the global economy. Africa is one of the core regions for Cardano. There, the platform will be the backbone that will allow citizens in countries such as Ethiopia to get an ID on Cardano's blockchain and then be able to access loans, have verifiable medical records across the continent, and other use cases. Hoskinson refers to Cardano as the Swiss Army knife of protocols. So overall, what we are starting to see with the crypto market is a big movement. We are starting to see global adoption happen at a small scale, but again, we still have so much more to come. We still have an incredible long year ahead of cryptocurrency, and 60 to 80% of the world still is not invested in cryptocurrency. Cardano so far has been one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market. Will it continue for the rest of the year? I personally think so. We're now going to take a look at a clip from Charles Hoskinson talking about Africa.
Can you give me more insight about the talk in Africa? Well, there are many things going on in Africa. The particular thing that we're waiting for happens to be in the country of Ethiopia. It was done until it wasn't done. And it's currently up for an independent review of a board of 3 people. And they're looking at it. They're going through it and reviewing every single document for the 7th time. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And unfortunately, that's just how people do business in these types of places. It's an inconvenience at the moment, and it's a delay at the moment, and it wasn't anticipated by either parties. What happens is that you have corruption, and then anti-corruption comes in. But the problem with anti-corruption is there are times that it can be overdone. And so a lot of bureaucracy gets added into the tendering process, and oversight gets added in, which doesn't actually prevent anything, but it massively slows down things, and it creates a lot of unnecessary bureaucratic friction. So what you do is you just smile and you keep working your way through it. And that's what we've been doing for now 3.5 months. It looks like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and I think that things are going to be okay. I was given many assurances that we were at the end of the tunnel in February, many written assurances by our counterparty, and it didn't happen. So we're in March. You have to learn how to have patience. There's an old term for doing business in Africa. It's called Africa time. And that means things get done on their own time, but it's a deal that changed the lives of millions of people. And I understand why it's taking its fair share, because it's transformative. It's not just a one and done type of thing and say, oh, that's nice. This is something that can grow to the entire country at some point. And that's why we take it so seriously, and they take it seriously. And, we're still acting in good faith. We're still building infrastructure, putting out lots of jobs. I think it's going to create over 30 jobs in the jurisdiction, and we'll see what happens. And it's going to be fun to announce it when it's finally there and it goes through that independent tender.
To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, since Cardano peaked at the levels of $1.46, we have been in a slight correction phase. Majority of the market is seeing the same results, so again, this is nothing to worry about. I personally think we are waiting for a big move on Bitcoin, purely because altcoins look like they want to make a massive move. If you're thinking, when is a good time to buy Cardano? Anytime you see one of these big red dips here, that is the best possible time you could buy in Cardano. Yes, it could end up going further down like we saw here, but again, as long as you are buying during the red times, that is the best times you can buy in Cardano, rather than buying at the top. I personally am an incredibly strong believer in Cardano, and I think it is going to be here for the next 5 to 10 years. There is still so much more big things to come with this crypto space, and there is still so much more room for growth. Remember, if we see the market heading towards a correction phase, do not be fearful, because we have seen this over 150 times in this crypto space within the last 3 years. It happens time and time again, and it needs to happen for the crypto market to stay healthy. Buy when the market is red, stay patient, and you will be a winner. I just want to bring you guys a quick update to do with the NOBES stake pool. We have currently reached 30 delegations and 784,000 Cardano staked with the NOBES stake pool. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single person who has joined so far. It really does mean a lot. I am going to be bringing out a lot of information to do with the NOBES stake pool as to why you should choose NOBES over other stake pools. Here's a few reasons in the form of a list. We have low pool fees. As you can see, there's a fixed cost of 340 ADA. A lot of people are confused and they think you have to pay that amount of ADA. Do not worry, you do not have to pay any amount to join. That is what gets taken out of the rewards for every pool. So again, do not worry, you do not have to pay that amount of ADA to join a pool. We also have DDoS protection, 99.9% uptime, 24/7 live node monitoring, and the team that is working with me is involved with Cardano ITN. I will be bringing out more information as the week goes on, but if you guys have any questions at all to do with staking, how to join, what is staking, please let me know down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's go Team NOBES. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or a regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you want to start staking or you have no idea about staking, please send me a message or an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Staking is the future of cryptocurrency and you do not want to miss out. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.